Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and guys, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's see what we would be expecting on our AUD USD. So this is the AUD USD now, right? Click once again, guys, if you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. Now, if you take a look at our AUD USD, we would want to zoom it out to see what the AUD USD is doing. And we can clearly see that this our AUD USD is very much in a downtrend move. So basically, we have three movements, three trend on the markets. It's either market is trending to the downside, or market is literally trending upward, or either market is ranging, which is a sideways movement, giving it support and resistance level. But when you zoom it out, you see that this main trend is a downtrend move. So also have it that within this main trend, we also have the current trend. So we have the main trend and we have the current trend. So main trend, for bigger picture, AUD USD is in a downtrend move. But when you zoom it in and you look at your current trend, you see that AUD USD is literally in an uptrend move. So because we would want to see what markets will be doing this week, we need to look at our current trend. That is what we will be using. That is what will guide us in order for us to get in order for us to be able to predict what AUD USD will be doing for us this week. Now, take a look at this here. If this is our high, here is our higher low. This is also the higher high, here is the higher low. Market did what again? Higher high, here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up again and formed higher high, here comes the higher low. So what market is doing now is that market is still going to be pushing up till it form a new higher high that will take out this high. So for position traders, right, if you're position traders, this is still a good opportunity for you to hop in on the buy, as market will still very much push up to form a new high, thereby giving us about more than 200 pips in profit. So basically more movement, potential movement is possible on our AUD USD. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So what is this right here? So market is at a crucial level, which is our support level. I will explain it. Now take a look at this. Market rallied up massively for a couple of, this was weeks, right? See, for a couple of days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11, for good 11 days straight. AUD USD opened and closed bullish. Then here comes the pullback phase. Market pushed up again to form a new high. Now market has given us a low, which is an equal higher low. So our next movement on AUD USD will be another push up that will give us a new high. So this is a good for swing traders. If you are a swing traders, you would be looking for your buy around here that will push up to start this high, which will be giving you about more than 70 pips in profit. So now let's take a look at this. A buy setup is what you should be watching out for on Monday on AUD USD. But the buy setup is likely to play out on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. But we would only hoping for the buy if we get the buy setup. Remember, we would only take the buy once we get the buy setup. If there is no buy setup, we would not take the buy. So avoid taking a trade that you do not see the buy setup. So in order for you not to miss out on the next updates I'll be giving to you guys, all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also click on that bell notification for next updates.